Why am I going for an expensive product? It have tasted. No problem. Just click on add to cart. So you can see cocoa. Then let me just click on this to check out. So I can see my cards, and then I can now proceed to the checkout page. So for these details, hopefully this protocol relates, because I really don't have the time to be doing all this. Okay, county. Select your county so that during the delivery we can easily know where to deliver to. So maybe Kericho, something. Yes, perfect. Then you can also add other notes that are maybe handle my stuff with care, because I'm more special. All your customers, something like that. So yeah, once you're done with that, let's just go ahead and place order. So let me enlarge this so that you'll be able to see this SDK push yourselves live. So let me click on pay now. So I now get the option to go with Mpesa or use a card. So I'm going to click Mpesa. I'm going to put in my number. And first, I'm going to show you what happens when you cancel before I make this assessment. So for the first one, I will cancel it. Okay, canceled. And it will update, and you'll be able to know that I actually canceled this. So shameful that I did. So request canceled by user. So in doing so, you will not leave this page, so you don't get a success page. But if I click pay now, because I found out the issue with guys and this plugin, they don't trust the actual guys who are running this, but it's actually very secure. They handle payments for a lot of guys here in Kenya. So to the best of my understanding, SDK push, the best of my understanding, they are super secure. And I've actually used them myself, and I've never found any issues with them. So yeah, use them. So this one was successful. So I even get a notification from Intasend saying that I've received such funds. All right, what's up, my guys? You know it is coming to you live from the cPanel. So I promised you guys we're going to be building the Cosmetic website. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. So be sure to stick along with me till the very end. So first of all, what you want to do is go into your cPanel, which from whichever host, where I said you can use Namecheap if you have the luxury of multiple payment options. But if you only have one, then the best you have here in Kenya is called TrueHost, and you will get such a similar interface for your cPanel hosting. So once you're in your cPanel, go into WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So already I have this installation. So I'm just going to uninstall it completely, which means that everything, all the information about this site will be deleted. So be sure to always be careful when doing a complete uninstall, because you can modify, you can remove some data, but if you do uninstall, then that's it. It's done, it's gone. You're not recovering that site. So just after that, click on return to WordPress management. Then I want to install a new copy of WordPress on this machine. So basically you don't need a lot. You don't even need to have skills on WordPress. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So this is the domain I wish to install to. Okay, and it's HTTPS, and this is the version for WordPress. So I'm going to go with 6.11. For the username, let me just say test user or something, test website. And then I'm lazy enough, so the password will also be test website. The hashtag 005 or something. Yeah. So yeah, limit login attempts, no themes. I do not install any themes by default. So just remember this password. So maybe let me just save that to the clipboard. And for the site name, I'm going to call it beauty or something. Beauty. And then beauty is relative to the amount of makeup, something. I don't know. Then just click on install. Her. So it's going to take a while depending on the speed of your PC. And I've always said mine sucks, so it will take a while, but yours could be faster. So once that is done, you'll have the link to your site as well as the link to your WordPress admin. So so far I don't need this page anymore. Let me just close this sucker up. So I'm back to my site where this ugly looking layout is presented to me. And so we gotta fix that. So let's just head into our dashboard. So welcome to WordPress. I like to work with something clean, something more minimalistic. So I always go into screen options and get rid of all this junk so that I have a more clear space to work on. Perfect. So now I need to change this outlook from this because whatever is here is the theme that is currently installed. So I need to change the theme so that I can change how this looks over. You get, yeah, you definitely get. So head to appearance, click on themes. Okay, so it's this 2021 theme that's currently active. So I want you to just click on add a new theme. So as I said, it's going to take a while unless you have fast PC. So for the themes, there are several options that you can use for e-commerce, but I like Astra because Astra is pretty much my favorite, and it comes pre-installed with some starter templates to help you up and running, and you'll be able to edit this using whichever block editor that you wish to use. So you have Gutenberg, you have all these other options that you can now use. So just click on maybe theme details. Okay. God damn. God damn it. Oh, okay. Get started. So I'm actually starting up the importer templates or something, starter templates. Whatever it is, you have to activate the importer itself. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you have a quick video, maybe letting you know what's going on. You have to choose your page builder. I'm going with the Elementor. Then now I have all these templates that I can use. So the one I need is called Cosmetics. Cosmetics. So I'm just going to type for Cosmetics. So it's the first one, this cosmetic store. Hasn't even loaded up yet. So maybe a quick refresh will help it. This is the one I need right here. So this is the one that we're going to customize. So just click on cosmetics. Then now this is the point where you can upload your logo or all the fonts that you need. But don't worry about this. You can always get back to this. So it's not really set in stone or anything of the sort. So fortune, just enter any email. Okay, something of the sort. Client, what do you mean? Myself. So just submit. It's okay. Yeah, this is not copyrighted music. Don't worry. I'm not even worried about demonetization. Good. So first of all, we have to actually customize this because already, as you can see, this woman is, I don't know, what do I say this in the nicest way? She is white. So if you're building this for a local client or something, that is not really the person you want to be showing up on your homepage. You want to give them a feeling of home or something. Not racist, just how it has to be. So to get this, you have to go into Unsplash, where we're going to get some high quality images that are copyright free, stock free, all that good stuff. So African, something, I don't know how to make this such down. Beautiful. Yeah, platform. Why is this suggested? Why is this suggested? Unsplash is acting mad sus. Yeah, something of the sort. So No need even to go too deep, just get anything. So I'm just going to download her. Why does that sound very good? I'm downloading. Give me a break. I'm downloading. So once you've downloaded her, what you need now is to go into Canva and now start creating the banner, something. So you have several options here, so you can go ahead and scroll and check out the one that catches your eye that you would like to be viewed on your website. And be sure to also attribute these artists because they put a lot of work into their arts and such. PS. No, for real though. They do put a lot of work into their art, so do respect that. So next, you have to come into your Canva. So it can be Canva, CorelDRAW. It could also be Photoshop, whatever software that you use to interact with your graphics. Then that's the one you want to use to make the banner. Comprende? Comprende. Yes. So so let me just open up my Canva Pro and then just drag it here. So I do have a Pro subscription on Canva, just to make that clear. So I could have some features that maybe you do not have on your Canva subscription. Yeah. So first of all, what I need to do first of all is that I need to go and get the dimensions for this banner. So if I come into this home page, I can say edit with Elementor. Then I'll be able to actually edit every single element on this page. And of course, be sure to remember, we're also going to add payments to this website. So retention hack, stick around. Yeah, so Elementor is my go-to page builder. So I would advise you use it as well because I do find it to be quite simple, quite elegant. And I really think it's the best. It's the best out there. So no matter what most people would have an opinion about, it's okay to have an opinion. Just know your opinion is dead wrong. Just saying. So if I click on this edit section and go into these styles, I should be able to see this image. So if I click on choose image, I can see that this image is 920 by 1080 pixels. And that's literally all I needed to know from this. So I'm going to go into my Canva, and then I'm going to click on custom size. Then I'm going to give it the same 1920 by 1080. And then I'm just going to create a new design. So this is the particular size, the exact size that I need for this thing to work. So first of all, let me grab the color. I don't know why, but I liked it. So let me just reload this. Okay, god damn it. Don't know why this is happening. So apparently this is at the home page, so it has not been put to the defaults. So if I go ahead and activate this color picker, you can see I can easily grab this color. So let me just grab that. Just grab that here, click on this, click on this page, then I can click on this color. So I can go ahead and replace this right here. And that's it, perfect. So now I have to get our lady in here. I downloaded her. Just to be clear, she consented to be downloaded. Okay, so what is this? Desktop. So she's right here. So the image is right here. Just enlarge that. Just to be very clear, this is available only for the Pro subscription. But just something that to make you get better is there are other websites like Remove BG. remove.bg, there's remove.ai that can actually remove the background as well. So you don't necessarily have to use Canva. Let me just enlarge her leg. What's up with her arms, bro? So let's tweak that a little bit. Okay. So she's looking okay, but I need a little bit of that flair, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of that, yes, kind of factor, yeah? You know what I'm saying? You clearly don't know what I'm saying, do it. So I need a glowing cloud. That's what I need. I need a glowing cloud for that. Kind of factor. You know, that's call to action kind of. Mm, don't know. Don't know what I'm saying. I'm just going to get all this free, put it right here, then send it to the back, send it backwards. Yes, yes, yes. And she's glowing. She is glowing. She is absolutely glowing. She is absolutely glowing. She is glowing now. Yeah. So I think that's perfect. So this is okay for our banner. This is looking okay for the banner. So just go ahead and click on share, click on download, then go ahead and download it right here. So give it a second, give it a second. And while that is downloading, go ahead and show some love to the subscribe button. It's a free way of supporting the channel, and I always appreciate that shit. It really helps me out. Really, really does. Not to just boost my fragile ego. It's only it helps this content get to a larger audience. So consider subscribing. So we're good with that. So just head back into Elementor and then upload files. You can even drag it just straight away. I have multiple displays, so I'm just going to drop it like that. And bada boom, bada bam, give it a moment to upload. So any minutes now, any minutes now. Yeah, so that is done. So just be sure to also include the text. So I'm going to say banner for some reason. And then just insert media. And boom, look at that. She's right there. She's now the banner. So maybe now we can change some of this text and whatnot. So if you want to change the heading, if you want to change content in there, just click on that. And then maybe I can say, welcome, Jesus. Welcome to our cosmetic store where our mission is to make you look stunning. I don't know, but I don't do cosmetics. So maybe I just want to edit all this, Lauren. Lauren. Okay. So, okay. So get rid of all this. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, like the maker makes the beholder to be legal life. Yeah, we're good. So you basically get the message. You just click on this icon, then you'll be able to edit from this panel. Simple as that. If you also want to change the image, you can change it from right here. So what I'm just going to show you now is how you can go ahead and change the currency and now add the payment integration. So yeah, that is exactly what I'm about to do. So let me just close this. First, hold on. Just make sure you click on this update, or else none of your changes will do anything. Just click on update first. Also, it's good practice to have your images optimized. So from this, you can go to our website like Tiny JPEG, Tiny PNG, but there's like a little panda. Let me see if I can get that website. Just go into Tiny PNG. Just Google search that. It's usually the first link. Yeah, these guys compress images so well. So be sure to do that if you're making this for production. Have a really nice loading, fast loading website. So if I head back into this page and reload, yeah, as you can see, it has now updated to our image, which is looking fantastic. So now I'm going to show you guys how to now edit this price, the products, and the currency. Let's just close this extra tags. Just wait for that. So the thing is, now that you're on this page, go into WooCommerce, then go into settings. So just give it a second there. Okay, so once you're here, just go ahead and change the country, first of all, because now it's providing you with payment gateways that are available in specific countries. Just type in K, and it will narrow down to Kenya. So just pick on your particular, how do I say? Pick on your particular county. So whichever county, just pick on it. Enter the zip code, stuff like that. And now change the currency to Kenya shillings. So just type in KE and then just save those changes. And boom. Now if I head back here and give it a refresh, yeah, look at that. Now our products are in Kenya shillings, which is great. But now we have to add our payment gateway, which is actually the simplest part of this video, actually. So first of all, if I go ahead and click on this single product, the functionality for the single product page and all that comes straight out of the box. So it's already bundled, so don't even worry. So you already have that zoom functionality that I kept mentioning. So as you can see, you already have this, and you can add several images. Users can be able to review straight out of the box. So it's all good. It's all good. So what I want to do now is add the payment gateway. So just go into your plugins. Drag myself right here. Just go into your plugins and click on add new. Then click on upload a plugin. Choose a file. So yeah. So I'm going to go into my desktop right there, Intasend. So this is the one that you basically you have two options. You have the purely Mpesa one, or you have the Intasend plugin. So I usually like this one. So the link, of course, is always down in the description for the plugins, so you can get them right there. So I usually like this one because it's quite simple to set up. You don't need a till, you don't need a pay bill, and you start receiving payments directly to your dashboard with a fairly simple onboarding process. So I think this one is one I would really prefer and recommend. So once you have actually installed it, just click on activate. And I'm going to show you how super simple it is to activate this plugin, to start receiving cash on this plugin and withdrawing from this plugin. So Intasend payment has been activated. Okay. So once that is active, I can just go into settings. for my WooCommerce. So I'm going into payments, because this is where all my payment gateways and where to manage them. This is where you get them. So as you can see, we have some useless ones that have been added, but of course they don't work. So just turn on Intasend and then just go into finish setup. Meanwhile, let me just go ahead and log into my Intasend account. Link will be down in the description as well for this Intasend. So for my account, I go into payment.intasend.com. So they have two-factor authentication for security purposes. So let me just do that and then check on next. So let me just enter that token, but I'm sure I'm going to get an SMS soon. Okay. Perfect. So once you authenticate, you'll have a dashboard like this where you receive all your payments. It's not that complicated. It's actually pretty simple. And you have your wallet balances and all that. So in your wallet balances, this is where you receive all your payments in terms of the reception of balances. So where was I? So you can even edit the title. So I can say pay with Mpesa or card. Simple. So for the description, you can also change that. So test mode is when you're using test credentials when your account is not yet created, because you also have test credentials that allow you to test this plugin. So I'm going to uncheck that. Then I'm going to go into my account, go into settings, then go into API keys. So API keys, I'm going to blur this. Don't worry, I will blur this. But you just basically copy that and then go into your live public key, paste that in, and save changes. Now the plugin is automatically linked to my account. So any funds paid there, I will be able to receive them. So yeah, that's those changes have been saved. I think so. I believe so. So if I head back here and click on the home page, okay, then I'm going to go and click on this anti-aging skin. Okay, no, you know what? Let me just go for this let me just go for cocoa body oil. Why am I going for an expensive product? It have tasted. No problem. Just click on add to cart. So you can see cocoa. Then let me just click on this to check out. So I can see my cards, and then I can now proceed to the checkout page. So for these details, hopefully this protocol relates, because I really don't have the time to be doing all this. Okay, county. Select your county so that during the delivery, we can easily know where to deliver to. So maybe Kericho, something. Yes, perfect. Then you can also add other notes that are maybe handle my stuff with care, because I'm more special. All your customers, something like this. So yeah, once you're done with that, let's just go ahead and place order. So let me enlarge this so that you'll be able to see this SDK push yourselves live. So let me click on pay now. So I now get the option to go with Mpesa or use a card. So I'm going to click Mpesa. I'm going to put in my number. And first, I'm going to show you what happens when you cancel before I make this assessment. So for the first one, I will cancel it. Okay, canceled. And it will update and you'll be able to know that I actually canceled this. So shameful that I did. So request canceled by user. So in doing so, you will not leave this page, so you don't get a success page. But if I click pay now, because I found out the issue with guys and this plugin, they don't trust the actual guys who are running this, but it's actually very secure. They handle payments for a lot, of guys here in Kenya. So to the best of my understanding, SDK push, the best of my understanding, they are super secure. And I've actually used them myself and I've never found any issues with them. So yeah, use them. So this one was successful. So I even get a notification from Intasend saying that I've received such funds. So as you can see, we are now at the successful checkout page. So just to show you guys how this particular Intasend works and how I can now get my money from even this particular payment, because you guys have really been asking for this. So let me just quickly start up the recording. I need to record this. Okay. Sorry. So I have to. Because you guys keep asking the same question over and over. It's not annoying, but I have to address it. Start now. So it's actually recording right now. So I want to show you the ease at which this money can be withdrawn. So if I go into wallet balances and I click on my Kenya shilling wallet, as you can see, it was 900, but now I got that 60 bob added to it. So if I now go ahead and go into withdrawals, I can now go ahead and make a new request. So for the account, I can pick the Kenya shillings account. And for the receiving account, I can pick my Mpesa, or you can pick bank, whatever. And I'm going to put in, it was 960. Let me just do 960. And if you guys can see, I want to show you that these withdrawals are like the kind of like the spot pesa or whatever kind of withdrawals in such that they are instant. So the moment I just activate this, okay, sorry, just remove that 60. Submit. So the moment I just click on approve and click complete and send, I will literally receive these payments right now in a few seconds. So let's just give it a moment. And just like that, I've received that's 50 shillings from Intasend. So basically, that's how the plugin works, and it's something that I would highly recommend. Boom, and I didn't need to have a till number or anything to set this up, and I'm done. Now I can receive both M-Pesa and card payments. So yeah, you have officially been able to build your cosmetics website. So maybe all I can do from here is to show you guys how to add products, how to edit products, and you'll be able to launch your business. Yeah, for sure. So for the products, just come into home, into WooCommerce. Just under the WooCommerce, you have all products. So all products is right here. So you can see all the products you have. You can see the price and all that. So you can just go ahead and click on edit. And of course, you can add new, you can import from a CSV file, all that. Maybe I can change this to daily moisturizer, cream or something, just to show you guys what I mean. And of course, you can edit the description, you can edit the price. Okay, you can add more attributes like color, weight, all that variations right here. And once you're done, just click on this blue button and click on updates. And once you're done, just also click the red button down here and subscribe. Just saying. Then if I go ahead and refresh, the product was daily moisturizer. So if I go ahead and refresh, I should have a daily moisturizer cream right here. So as you can see, it has actually updated. And this is how you can now edit your products and add new ones. And of course, yeah, this website is highly responsive on mobile devices. It is fast, it is secure, and of course, you can accept card and M-Pesa payments. And of course, PayPal, all the other generic ones are already available, even in the WordPress plugin store. So yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy smash like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.